Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone without losing data. So if something isn't working for whatever reason, just swipe down from the top right and go to Settings. And usually at the bottom there's something called About Phone. So let's go all the way to the bottom. We have About Phone right here. We can click on About Phone and then scroll on down under here and go to where it says Reset. Now we can go on down in here and we have Reset All Settings. So we can just go to Reset All Settings and it's going to reset everything under this menu. Now this isn't going to delete your pictures, your photos, or videos or anything like that. It's just going to reset your settings. And then you can reset your mobile settings if you have an issue with that, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or reset your accessibility settings. Now if you do want to go ahead and go for a factory data reset right here, we have the option to temporarily back up our cloud. So if we have a Samsung account, we can back up, it says unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days. So we can just come back in here and hit restore after we go to backup. And then if we want to go ahead and factory reset our phone, we just have to sign back in with our Samsung account, go to restore backup, but first we have to do update backup. And then we can factory reset our phone without worrying about losing any information. So just look at that as an option too. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.